The mysterious kitten. Lily is walking home from school. The sky is dark. The wind blows. She hears a soft meow. She looks around. A small gray kitten is under a tree. Its eyes shine in the dark. It is very scared. Lily says, "Hello, little kitten. Are you lost?" The kitten meows again. Then it looks at the forest. Its eyes are strange, like it can see something Lily cannot see. Lily picks up the kitten. It is cold and hungry. She decides to take it home. At home, Lily gives the kitten some milk. It drinks quickly. Then it walks to the window and stares at the dark forest. Lily feels a little nervous. Sometimes Lily hears soft whispers near the window. She looks, but there is no one. Only Snowy, the kitten, with its bright eyes. Lily goes to bed. Snowy sleeps on her lap. In the middle of the night, she hears soft steps in the hallway. She looks. No one is there. Only Snowy is awake, looking at the door. The next morning, Lily sees small paw prints on the windowsill. She opens the window. Outside, the forest is quiet. Snowy jumps out and runs into the trees. Lily follows Snowy. The kitten stops near an old, hidden path in the forest. There are strange flowers and small lights. Snowy meows and looks at Lily. Lily smiles. "You want me to follow you?" Snowy meows again. Lily walks carefully. She sees small animals, rabbits, birds, and even a hedgehog, all looking at her. Snowy leads her to a tiny, magical pond. The water shines softly. Snowy jumps near the pond. Lily feels happy. She says, "Thank you for showing me this, Snowy." The kitten purrs and jumps on her shoulder. She can hear soft whispers, but they are kind, not scary. Lily returns home with Snowy. She is tired but happy. Every day, she visits the forest. Snowy always leads her to small surprises. Lily learns about the animals and the magic of nature. New vocabulary: kitten, mysterious, forest, whispers, paw prints, pond. Grammar practice: present. Lily walks. Questions: Are you lost? Goodbye and practice. Thank you for listening. Practice the new words and grammar. See you next time for another story, maybe a little mysterious.